So let's go into some Forex pairs. So if we have a look at, so once again, we've got nice, clean, bullish structure on the monthly. We've got higher highs, higher lows. Now made this higher high, could potentially come to retest this previous higher high before taking back up. Yeah, so if we have a look at the current monthly candle, we've got 10 days left to close. Price has come up, it's broken through this area, but was left as a wick to the upside, showing us that bullish momentum could be running out. Let's have a look on the weekly. On the weekly, yeah, as we mentioned, price has been ripping up through all these zones. It's broken above the previous high, sort of made a little bit of a double top here, but then it's opened up. It's broken through both of those areas, and it's broken through this 1.245 area that I've been paying attention to. So as you can see, we've established a little bit of resistance here, pulled back into this range, and then broken through both these areas of value before pulling back to retest this area at 1.245 that we mentioned. So we go down, as you can see as well, previous week, or the week that's just closed, is a big indecision candle. We've got a wick to the upside, a wick to the downside. Almost nobody showing us that indecision has come into the market. So we've got a doji on the candle there. So if we go down, look into the daily. So yeah, as you can see, price has been holding support at around 1.24 area. It's been maintaining support over the last couple of weeks. It's still trading above that area. So once again, it is very choppy. Let's go back to the weekly day quick. So we're showing weekly is bullish structure. Once again, same with gold. It's bullish on the weekly, but we're now starting to see price pull back, and it's starting to make bearish structure. So this could be in line with the retest, maybe even further down. I think price could be trading between 1.245 and 1.24 area. That's looking like the range on GU at the minute. Very choppy once again, as mentioned. I have been taking a few trades off this on the way down. Every time we've been bouncing off I'm still bullish on GU. So every time we've been getting the bounce off these areas of value, I've been taking trades off it, and we've been doing all right off it. Once again, we've now priced trading below the 1.245 area, showing us big wick to the upside. So when we start to establish on the daily, we start to establish resistance at that area. So go down into the 4-hour. So yeah, it did break out on Friday, it broke out above that area, pulled back in and closed inside it. So once again, it's very, very choppy price action on GU, but I'll be waiting to see if price can come down, establish support at 1.24 area. Looking to take, if we can establish support at the 1.24, I'll be looking to take trades back up into the 1.245 area and potentially up into 1.25, maybe even 1.25, 270. Obviously, all just depending on price action, and we can break above this range. Yeah, if we do get a retest somewhere down here and then break above here, I'll be waiting to see if price can establish support at this area, 1.245, before taking trades, taking longs up to 1.25. But once again, as we said on all the other pairs, we've got a lot of fundamentals this week. So if you are trading USD pairs, just be very careful, pay attention to what fundamentals are coming out what day, and build your confidence and only take the higher probability trades. But yeah, I'm still bullish on GU, but we are due a bit of a pullback. But yeah, that's the outlook for GU.